Hey, welcome to Truck Enterprise. I'm John Gibson, General Manager here. We really appreciate you coming by and see us. So if you're here to buy a truck, let me show you where you need to go. See Phyllis, she's here most days. She can direct you to the person that you need to see. We have Alan, Nick, Silda, all ready to help you buy a truck. Whether your business is used or new, we're certainly here to help you. Come with me, I'll show you the parts counter. We have a nice showroom up here on the right hand side. It has a lot of items you may need, lights, polishers, cleaners, anything like that. We have shirts that are available, license plate holders, hats. We know everybody loves hats. Parts counter, as you come in, will be on the right hand side up here. Chris and his team will be glad to help you at any time. At any time we have $1.8 million worth of parts. If we don't have what you need on the shelf, I'm certain we can order for you and have it here for you very quickly. As you come through, if you're looking for our service department, let me show you the way. On the way, if you'd like to have a cup of coffee or take a look at our MX-13 engine, so as you come through the door, you'll go into our service department. Our service department is home for about 30 technicians, give or take, first and second shift. We open here at 7 o'clock in the morning and we close at midnight. We're always here to help you. We have factory skilled technicians. They spend their lives. We have guys that have been working here for 50 years. We want to help you be productive and make sure your truck comes in and gets out in a timely manner. If you have a question, a lot of times Jeremy can answer those questions for you. He's been working here almost 16 years now. He just moved to the first shift foreman. He took his uncle's place. So you know, good leadership runs in the family. As you're coming through the doors back there, that's the foreman station. You'll need to go in and check in. Let me show you where to check in. This door up here is our door on the left-hand side going into our service rider area. Let me take you in so you need to check in with. So as you walk into these doors, you'll see Jeff, Terry, and Michael. They'll be here to help you check in for your service event. Whether you have a check engine light, whether you have a major failure with an engine, transmission, these guys are experienced. They're here to help you. They'll get your process started as quickly as possible so we can get you back on the road as quickly as we can. If you need body work done, let me show you where to come to see that. So if you need Volvo work done, we can do Volvo work here. Kenworth parts, all make parts, TRP parts. Like I said, $1.8 million worth of parts in inventory. And if we can't get it, it can't be gotten. So let me show you where the body shop is. As you come into the body shop, you'll be greeted by Kim. She'll be glad to help you. She'll take your information just like the service writers and get your information started, talk to your insurance companies and make this event what is tragic. You had an accident, whether it's a deer strike or you are looking to get a repaint, she can help you solve those problems. We have 8 technicians that are ready to paint. We have 2 great painters that do a great job. We can fix just about anything. Any level of repair that you need, we're here to do it. So if you're going to be here for a little while, let me show you where the driver's lounge is. Follow me. So when you come upstairs and you get to the top of the steps, make a right. Follow me down the hallway. Here's a restroom right here on the right-hand side for the gentlemen and for the ladies as well. If you like a snack or use our microwave, please feel free to do so. So our lounge is up here. We'll make a right towards the end. As you come in, you'll see we have a TV. We have chairs for you to come in here and sit down. You can look around, turn the TV on, turn your lamps on. whatever you like. So if you find yourself hungry and you're walking around and chips and nabs are just not enough, right across the street we have a nice diner. Go in there and get you a nice cheeseburger, fries, get you a drink. They'll make you feel welcome. And if you have a sweet tooth, on down the way a little while, on the left-hand side down South Main, if you go out of our main entrance here, make a right and go down, you'll see Klein's Dairy Barn. Great ice cream, kind of a signature staple for us around here. We all love it. We all get it every chance we get. So we know when you come in here, it's not always the best time to come into a dealership. We know that you're going to have to spend your hard-earned money. We know that that's a stressful time. We want to make it as easy as we can for you. So we try to facilitate as much as we can. So if you look on this wall as we walk past, you'll see 30 people here. These are our technicians that we stand ready to help you. These guys commit themselves to help you and push you through and get you through these situations. As you look at us and you consider us to be partners with you and you grow your business, we're committed to that. We actually want to be partners. We're not just here to take. We give. We give our attitudes, we give our help, we give all of these things so you can grow your business. It's important to us. If you're successful, we're successful. So thanks for stopping by. We appreciate you choosing us. We know that your business has to succeed for us to succeed. We understand that. We want the partnership that you're willing to extend to us. Thank you so much for stopping by and choosing Truck Enterprises. You can rely on us. I'm John Gibson. Thanks for coming by.